we're gonna get bread.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you? I'm leaving soon. You know that? I'm retiring.
Saan ka pupunta?
Yes, I'm closing the business already. I'm done.
Ano, nabenta na?
No, just kiss. Just ito. I just see, I've been here for 25 years, people.
Hindi, kailan ka
to be
mag-closing? Bakit
It's
mo
Tuesday.
Oh, really?
I'm glad you're here. Saan tayo punta ngayon?
Ano? Ano sa Tuesday?
I'm done. I'm done with my lease.
You sure?
I'm closing the business. Yeah.
Maganda tong lugar mo.
Thank you. I'm so tired, guys. Look at me. I need to
Ano
rest.
gagawin mo?
I'm going to Florida. You wanna come with me?
Pupunta ka sa Florida?
Japan, yes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going up to Philippines with Maravik. We're gonna have fun there.
Oh, magtuturo siya. Magtuturo.
Oh, darling. I am serious. Yes, I am leaving.
Tuesday?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Tuesday is my last bake. Say hi ka, darling.
Hi.
Facebook. Pakita mo yung
We're
video.
visiting Wilma's bakery, but unfortunately she's closing. We're gonna miss your what's that? Cheesecake pandesal?
Cheese bowling.
Oh, yes, I love that. We're gonna buy that.
Yeah.
Which one? Asan yon?
I'm just moving, Mare.
Ito.
I'm gonna build.
Oo, yan.
Mare, I'm gonna build up the business in ano. I'm gonna build up a business in somewhere else.
Really?
Yeah.
Punta kami yung kumari ko sa Florida. Saan ka pupunta? Jacksonville?
I don't know.
Hindi ko pa alam.
Malapit sa ano yun eh, sa Navy base.
Ito ba yung yung cheese? Ito kanina.
Mare, masalita ka na, dali.
Dami ko na sinabi. Mamimiss ka namin, okay?
Pare,
Kahit na 2 beses ka lang namin nakita.
I know. Mare, bigali ka dito. Masalita ka.
Doon ka magtatayo ng bakery
Ano po tayo
sa Florida.
Papahinga muna ako, ya. Papahinga muna ako. At least mga 3, 4, 6 months. Oy, si Mare, yung legs oh. Mare, halika dito.
25 years na pala.
26 niya. Mare, say hi. Mag-hi ka naman, ha? Magsalita ka. Si Maribik, oh, sexy, oh. Did you see ba? Nakita mo yung video mo? Bago lang yun, ngayon ko lang nilagay.
Hindi pa ako
Yung mga kumadres ko lang yun.
hindi pa ako nag-open.
Oh no, so lalabas ba tayo ngayon? Are we going out somewhere? Labas tayo. Sige, I can go.